Hello everybody, welcome back to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. I want to welcome back all our new subscribers and our old subscribers. Thank you for joining us again. It's summertime, it's warm out. What could be more refreshing on a hot summer day than a mojito? A watermelon mojito. So let's get pouring. Okay, this one is good because it's easy enough that you're going to make it in your glass already. We are going to start with 4 freshly picked mint leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are going in the bottom of our Tom Collins glass. Next off, we're going to start putting in 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, because you know fresh is best. Next in the glass, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. We're going to give that a real quick muddle. This is going to help break up the mint leaf. It's going to put a little bit of those oils in the cocktail. Just give it a couple grinds there. And next comes the watermelon. And we are going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes of seeded watermelon. And those are going to go in there. We're going to muddle those, break them down. And that's going to be about 1.5 ounces of watermelon juice in there. Freshly crushed ice. Next, 2 ounces of white rum. Today we're using Bacardi. We're going to take our bar spoon, give that a little bit of a mix. You're going to dig and lift, dig and lift, dig and lift. Give that a couple of stirs, and then to finish it off, a little bit of club soda, about 2 ounces to 3 ounces of club soda. Give it another little bit touch of ice to top that off. Another little quick stir to mix that club soda up in there. And then we are going to garnish with a slice of watermelon, a fresh mint sprig. Slap it against your hand a couple times to release some of those oils, and finish it off with your straw. And there is the watermelon mojito. And there is the official taste tester.
You hold that, okay. That is amazing.
What did you say?
That's good.
There you go, folks. Happy summertime.